Hello there, my name is Sao, founder and creator of TopScore DAT. I will be teaching you live chemistry, organic chemistry, biology, and quantitative reasoning every Monday and Wednesday at 9 a.m. I believe that students excel best in a positive and engaging environment where they can be an active learners. For this reason, I am allowing you to ask me any question during the live course, and I will be happy to answer them to clarify any doubts that you have in the subjects. Hello everyone, and welcome to another day of organic chemistry. Today we're going to cover the naming of carboxylic acid, also naming of aldehydes, ketones, nitriles, and we are going to work on rearranging the according to priority in order to naming. So what are the rules for naming the carboxylic acid? To name carboxylic acid, you have 5 rules to follow to make your life more easy. So you're going to give anoic acid to the name. Second, you will start counting your chain from the carboxylic acid, since in this case it's your priority. Then, in order for you to organize the name, you will give it in alphabetical order. An extra carbonyl group, you will call it oxo, okay? That means when you have like 2 carboxylic acid together in a chain, to the extra one, you will call it oxo. Now let's work on some examples, and then we open for questions to clarify this topic before we move on, okay? So let's start with the following example.